Shivananda Sharma Memorial, RV College, Video Lectures, an ISR initiative. SSMRV College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, has come up with an unique initiative to engage students at the time of this unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Jagadish A of Department of Business Administration, posting a video on the subject marketing management and the topic promotion. Please watch video till the end and like, share with your peer group and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Let us understand what is promotion. Promotion refers to the entire set of activities which communicate the product, brand or service to the user. The idea is to make people aware, attract and induce to buy the product in preference over competitors' product. Now let us move on to the objectives of promotion. Objective 1, to stimulate demand. It is the primary objective of market promotion by using appropriate means of market promotion like advertising, sales promotion, personal selling and so on. Company, by highlighting product benefit, try to match the product with the need, want and expectation of buyers. Objective 2, to inform consumer. Promotion is aimed at informing consumers about features, qualities, performance, price and availability of company's product. Objective 3, to persuade consumer. Market promotion is an effective way to persuade consumer the superiority of product over competitors. A firm can communicate competitive advantages the product offers to distinguish it from competitors' product. Objective 4, to promote a new product. Market promotion is an inevitable medium to promote a new product. By suitable promotional strategies, a company can successfully introduce a new product in the market as against existing product. Objective 5, to face competition. Market promotion enables the firm to face competition effectively. Marketer can fight with competitor effectively and can prevent their entry or can throw the competitor away from the market by formulating and implementing effective market promotional strategies. Objective 6, to create or improve image. Advertising, personal selling and publicity and public relation, all are promotional tools, are capable to create or improve image and reputation of the firm. Now let us understand what is personal selling. It is when a salesperson meets a potential buyer or buyers face to face with the aim of selling a product or service. It is also called as salesmanship. It requires interpersonal skills, a capacity to understand people, patience, the art of convincing and so on. Example 1. Salesmen go to different societies to sell the product. Example 2. In departmental stores, on the perfume and cosmetic counters, customers can get advice on how to apply the product and can try different products. Now, let us move on to the advantages of personal selling. Advantage 1. It is a two-way communication. So the salesman can get instant feedback from the prospective buyer. If it is not according to the plan, even he can adjust his approach accordingly. Advantage 2. Build trust. Since it is an interactive form of selling, it helps build trust with the customer. Example, when you are selling high value product like cars, it is important that the customer trust not only the product but the seller also. Advantage 3. Persuasive form of marketing. Since the customer is face to face with the salesperson, it is not easy to dismiss them. The customer at least makes an effort to listen. Advantage 4. Helps to reach audience. Direct selling helps reach the audience that cannot reach in any other form. After understanding advantages, now let us understand the disadvantages of personal selling. Number 1. Expensive method. It is a relatively expensive method of selling because high capital costs are required. Number 2. Extremely labor intensive. It is an extremely labor intensive method. A large sales force is required to carry out personal selling successfully. Number 3. Time consuming and costly. The training of the salesperson is also very time consuming and costly. Number 4. Reachability. This method can only reach a limited number of people. Unlike television, radio ads, it does not cover huge demographic. Essential qualities of a good salesmanship. Salesmanship itself is a challenging task on the one hand and equally interesting and remunerative on the other hand. Salesmen to be effective should possess certain qualities as follows. Quality number 1, knowledge of the self. First of all, salesman should understand himself, his strengths and weakness so that he can develop confidence. He should develop certain personal qualities which are essential for effective salesmanship. Quality number 2, knowledge of the company. Consumer always relate the product to the company. That is, company's reputation is very important factor for effective salesmanship. A salesman has to present his company in very positive way. Quality 3, knowledge of the product. Customers are very curious about knowing various aspects of the product. Salesmen should be able to provide them information about all the product aspect and clear their doubts. Quality number 4, knowledge of the competition. The effective sales of a product depend a lot on the competition. A salesman must be in a position to project the product of his company is superior and cost effective compared to product of competitors. Quality 5, knowledge of customer. The success of salesman depend on his ability to understand and convince the customer. For this purpose, a salesman should know customers well. Quality 6, knowledge of the selling process. Sales itself is a process and it involves several stages. That is, a salesman should be able to understand the stages and be able to go through all the stages such as prospecting, preparation, presentation and conclusion. After understanding qualities of good salesmanship, let us move on to understand essential qualities of a good salesman. An effective salesman is one who is able to convince the customer and sell goods on a large scale. That is, an effective salesman requires all the qualities in order to convince customer. Such qualities are as follows. Quality 1, physical qualities. A salesman requires the following physical qualities: a pleasing appearance, a cheerful smile, good health, etc. Second quality, social qualities. A successful salesman has to be good at socializing because he has to mingle with customers possessing qualities like good manners, politeness, courtesy, good culture, etc. Quality 3, mental qualities. A salesman should possess the following mental qualities: strong memory, observation, alertness, imagination, etc. Quality 4, moral and ethical qualities. The above mentioned qualities will all become a waste if not supported by the following moral qualities like dependability, loyalty, honesty, etc. Now let us understand advertising. Advertising is a marketing tactic involving paying for space to promote a product, service or a cause. The actual promotional message are called advertisement or ads for short. The goal of advertisement is to reach people most likely to be willing to pay for a company's product or services and entice them to buy. People say advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods or services by an identified sponsor. Objectives of advertising. There are three main objectives of advertising. They are: number 1, to inform. Advertising are used to increase brand awareness and brand exposure in the target market. Informing potential customers about the brand and its product is the first step towards attaining business goal. Objective 2, to persuade. Persuading customers to perform a particular task is a prominent objective of advertising. The task may involve buying or trying the product and services offered to form a brand image, develop a favorable attitude towards the brand and so on. Objective 3, to remind. Another objective of advertising is to reinforce the brand message and to reassure the existing and potential customers about the brand vision. Advertising helps the brand to maintain top of mind awareness and to avoid competitors stealing the customers. Other objectives of advertising are subset of above three objectives. These subset are brand building, increasing sales, creating demand, expanding customer base, changing customer attitudes and so on. Importance of advertising. This is studied under two headings: importance to customers and importance to business. Now let us understand importance to the customer. The first importance, that is convenience. Targeted informative advertisement make the customer's decision making process easier as they get to know what suit the requirement and budget. Second importance, awareness. Advertising educates the customers about different products available in the market and their features. This knowledge helps customer compare different products and choose the best product for them. Third importance, better quality. Only brands advertise themselves and their product. There are no advertisement for unbranded products. This ensures better quality to the customers, as no brand want to waste money on false advertisement. Now let us understand the importance to business. Importance 1, awareness. Advertising increases the brand and product awareness among the people belonging to the target market. Second importance, brand image. Clear advertisement helps the business to form the desired brand image and brand personality in the mind of the customers. Third importance, product differentiation. Advertising helps the business to differentiate its product from those of competitors and communicate its features and advantages to the target audience. Fourth importance, increase goodwill. Advertisement increases the goodwill of the brand among its customers. The last importance, value for money. Advertising delivers the message to a wide audience and tend to be value for money when compared to other elements of the promotion mix. Now, let us understand advantages of advertising. Advantage 1, reduces per unit cost. The wide appeal of advertising increases the demand for the product, which benefits the organization as it capitalizes on the economies of scale. Second, helps in brand building. Advertisement work effectively in building brand. Brands who advertise are preferred over those which does not. Third advantage, helps in launching a new product. Launching a new product is easy when it is backed by an advertising. Fourth advantage, boost up customer confidence. Advertisement boost up existing customer confidence in the brand as they get a feeling of pride when they see an advertisement of the product or the brand they use. Fifth advantage, helps in reducing customer turnover. Strategic advertisement for new offers and better service helps reduce customer turnover. Sixth advantage, attracts new customer. Attractive advertisement helps the brand in gaining new customers and expanding the business. Last one, educates the customers. Advertisement informs the customer about different products existing in the market and also educate them in what they should look for a product. Now let us understand the disadvantages of advertising. Number 1, increases the cost. Advertising is an expense to the business and is added to the cost of the product. The cost is eventually borne by the end consumer. Second one, confuses the buyer. Too many advertisement with similar claims often confuses the buyer in what to buy and should he buy the product or not. Third one, sometimes misleading. Some advertisement use smart strategies to mislead the customer. Fourth one, only for big business. Advertising is a costly affair and only big business can afford it. This makes small business out of competition with big business who get to enjoy a monopoly in the market. Last one, encourages the sale of inferior product. Some effective advertisement even lead to the sale of inferior product which aren't good for the consumer. Thank you for watching video.